We all know from school physics course the transformer is two or more inductively connected coils used for conversion of one or more parameters of alternating current by electromagnetic induction, most often to raise or lower voltage. It seems that everything is clear about it. The main parameter is transformation ratio, which determines ratio of the numbers of turns in one winding to the number of turns in the other. This ratio defines value of increase or decrease of the voltage, and thus increase or decrease of the current. However, there are some interesting points. The first one relates to the fact that not everyone knows what is considered to be a winding turn. For example, there is a task often asked by professors in different technical universities and colleges. Transformers hardware has two turns of wire. It is required to determine transformation ratio. Paradoxically, but it equals 2 or 1/2 depending on what is considered the primary winding, because the turn is considered to be just a passing of the wire through the window of the magnetic core. Why so? Magnetic field is concentrated inside the magnetic core, and around it is completely absent. So EMF is generated only in such conductor, which is located inside the ring of the magnetic field. It should be noted that for the rod and the armored core, this rule does not work, because magnetic field is present along the entire length of the turn. The second interesting point is the transformation rate depends on the number of turns and does not depend on converted current frequency, although the increase in the latter causes a decrease in overall power transformer. This phenomenon allows production of rather high-capacity power supply units. There is a very small transformer operating at frequency of tens, sometimes hundreds of kilohertz inside such transformers. But then there is a restriction on the magnetic core material. At frequencies above 15 kHz, considerable losses and its heating by induction currents occur in the core, which makes use of steel in magnetic core impossible.